Hello and welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about the differences between einkorn flour and regular flour. As more and more people are becoming interested in natural and organic food, it's important to understand the differences between these flours and what benefits einkorn flour has over regular flour. What is einkorn flour? Einkorn flour is a type of ancient grain that has been around for over 10,000 years. It's believed to be one of the oldest forms of wheat and is considered to be more nutritious than modern wheat. Unlike regular flour, einkorn flour is made from an ancient strain of wheat that hasn't been hybridized or genetically modified. Nutritional benefits. One of the main benefits of einkorn flour is its high nutritional value. It contains more protein, fiber, and vitamins than regular flour. Einkorn flour is also a great source of antioxidants, which can help to boost your immune system and protect against disease. Additionally, einkorn flour is lower in gluten, which can make it easier to digest for those with gluten sensitivities. Tasting differences. While einkorn flour and regular flour may look the same, they have distinct differences in taste. Einkorn flour has a sweeter, nuttier flavor that many people find appealing. This can be especially helpful for those who are following a gluten-free or low-carb diet, as it can add flavor to baked goods without relying on gluten or added sugars. Baking differences. Finally, it's important to note that einkorn flour and regular flour have different baking properties. Einkorn flour is more absorbent than regular flour, so it may require a bit of adjusting to get the right consistency in your baked goods. Additionally, einkorn flour may not rise as much as regular flour, so you may need to add extra yeast or other leavening agents to achieve the desired results. So there you have it, the benefits of einkorn flour versus regular flour. While einkorn flour may require a bit of adjusting in the kitchen, its higher nutritional value and unique flavor make it a great alternative to regular flour. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.